Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. I am up here right now in northern Wisconsin, finally on the ice. It's December 5th and I'm ice fishing. I did not think I was gonna be ice fishing this early, but I am super jacked to be out here. I'm with my man Kyle from Wisconsin Fisherman. So if you guys want to check him out, I'll leave him down below. But we are currently walleye fishing and my minnow's trying to swim up the hole right now. So we're just setting up right now. It's currently like 7 o'clock in the morning. So the sun's just coming up. I already got 2 jaw jackers set. I was setting them up in the dark, just trying to get all my lines out. I already caught a bass. So the bite is certainly, I think, decent up here right now. We've already been seeing a few flags pop. I got all my jaw jackers set. So hopefully we can start catching some fish, but I just want to go over my setup real quick with you guys right away before I start catching some fish. There's a lot of slush and we're only on about that much ice. So we are certainly making do with what I got, and I don't have my live scope, so actually let me go grab that first. All right, for all of you guys that don't know what a jaw jacker is, this little contraption goes down like this, fish bites, goes up like that, sets the hook, you run over, you fight the fish. So I'm just getting my live scope set up here so I can figure out where my depth's at. I'm just fishing about 2 feet, maybe about 1.5 feet off the bottom here. Fishing about 8 or 9 feet of water, and I'm running a 40-inch medium hot rod. It's a really good rod for walleyes, pike, trout, bigger game fish, bigger bass, stuff like that. I also have a Piscifun Carbon X2 2000 reel on there as well. I'm running 12-pound mainline to a 10-pound fluoro, like 4-foot leader. So that is what I'm rocking with. There's actually a fish chasing me around right now. Hey, you guys got a flag right here. Like I said, the fish are biting. I got my shack set. There's a fish chasing me. They just had a flag, so let's go check on that flag. It's up right there. Let's go. Here you go, Natalie. Grab it. Here, grab this. Grab this. Here you go. Come here. Oh, it's a big perch.
Look at that, dude.
I was just marking some like decent fish on my graph.
Yeah, we were just marking some too.
I wonder if there's this cool little perch rolling through here.
Probably. Throw it to that bald eagle, watch him pick it up. Dude, that's a giant perch.
You want to keep it?
Sure. Yeah, let's keep some fish, because if we catch a walleye, let's keep a walleye.
Yeah, have a little fish fry?
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Here we go. Hey, grab my camera, would you? Actually, I'll grab it. You go grab it. Oh no, she gone. She gone, I guess. Oh, she's still there. Go grab it. Go grab it. Go grab it. Probably a perch, yeah. Oh yeah, that might be a walleye. I don't know. Grab it. Just lift it out and reel. Lift it out and reel. Just reel. Just reel. Just reel. Pull it out of the water.
No, you do it. The big one.
It is little baby perch. Little perch.
That's a baby.
No, I mean, it's like an 8-incher. You can eat it.
He said he wants it.
Good. All right, well, there's Natalie's little perch. Nice job. It's probably another perch. Oh, maybe not. Little head bobs.
Large mouth. Right in the tip of the mouth.
Right in the snaz.
Right in the schnoz!
For 20 minutes, it'll be just fine.
Flag just popped up.
Hey, there you go.
Hey, oh, I'm not with you.
Another fish. Oh yeah, she's ripping. They got a fish right there. Here's my little bass. There we go. Going back. See you, buddy.
20 minutes later.
All right, guys, so it has been approximately 2.5 hours. And we caught a few fish, not a ton. I know the first one I didn't get on video because we just got here and it was still dark and I didn't have everything set up. But we're just packing up real quick. We're gonna actually go grab some lunch. It's like, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so. So we're gonna go grab some lunch. We're gonna pack up these jaw jackers, then we're gonna go actually fish a different lake. So I'm gonna transfer this video over into the next spot. So we're gonna head out, we're gonna pack up, just getting everything in the sled, and gotta grab the jaw jackers. Are you warm? She's got like 14 coats on, so I think she's finally getting a little warm. So we're gonna start dragging all this stuff to the car, pack up the car, grab some lunch, and then see you guys at the next spot. So stick with us, stay tuned. We're gonna catch some fish. All right, I'm filming. Watch out. All right, guys, welcome back to the second half of today. Got some lunch. We're back out here. We're actually on a different lake now, and we're gonna be fishing for some shallow water bass and pike. The reason I got this and this in my hand is this is gonna be the ticket for the shallow water fish. So I'm gonna set about 5 of these, maybe 6 around our shack here. I'm with my man Kyle. Like I said earlier, we already caught a few fish earlier today, but now we're back out trying to catch some more fish, hopefully some bigger fish, and hopefully get on some fish for you guys. So this is a jaw jagger, this is a rod. This goes in here, this bends like this, fish bites, this goes up, and I hook myself. That's how that works. So I'm gonna get a few of these set up, grab some minnows, some suckers, whatever. We're just gonna throw a bunch of random minnows down and hopefully start getting bit. I'll walk you guys through the setup of that real quick, and yeah, let's start catching some fish. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we're doing right now. I'm gonna turn my GoPro on so I can get some close-up shots for you. Let me throw in this guy. I'm using a real small treble. I think this is like a size 10 or size 8 treble hook. We're just putting it right behind the fin there. As soon as I can get it in there, right behind the fin. I got a 40-inch medium hot rod, got a jaw jacker, got a couple split shot. Like I said, we're fishing real shallow water. So this guy's just gonna go in here, just like that. Dropping this down. I'm gonna reel up because Kyle said only fish a couple feet under the ice. So then you guys can see there's a little trigger on this jaw jacker here. So when you set this jaw jacker, there's a little loop that you tie onto the eyelet of the last rod, or the last eyelet I should say. And then there's a lever here. When this lever goes up, when this lever goes down, this lever goes up with the torque of the rod and it flings up, sets the hook. So you put this little loop on that lever. So now all the pressure's on this. As soon as you let go of this, that rod's gonna come up. So you wanna always hold that down until this comes up. Push this up with your finger, hold it like this. If you wanna like adjust it or whatever, now it's not gonna do anything. But as soon as that rod, or as soon as that lever gets pushed down by the line, which I'm gonna set in there right now, kinda wanna grab the line through there, set it on there like so. Now when that fish grabs that bait and pulls that line down, that rod's gonna set the hook and catch yourself a fish, run over, and hopefully start ripping some drag and holding on tight. So I'm gonna set a few more of these real quick. I think I'm gonna set like 5 or 6 or so. Well, 5 for me and Allie behind the camera, and then a couple for Kyle as well. I think he's gonna throw some tip ups and maybe a jaw jacker or 2. We'll see, but these are the deal, especially for a really finicky bite. If the fish just wants to hit it and not really commit all that much, it'll still make sure to whack them right in the lips. So Kyle's drilling me a few more holes. I'm gonna run over there and set those up, and let's get fishing. Hey guys, let's go say hi to Kyle over here. Kyle, how we doing, bud?
Doing good, just working on getting off of you lined up here.
Hold on. You're gonna need to talk into this, sir, otherwise I can't hear you.
Okay.
So what are we gonna do today, sir?
Just getting the camera lined up right now. We got, we're gonna put a minnow on it, watch some fish come up, whether the bass eat it or the pike eat it. Should be pretty cool. Got another one gonna go over there, and then we just got the jaw jackers, tip ups, and hang out and catch some bass and pike, hopefully.
That's what I like to hear. So, like he said, I got a few more jaw jackers to set, and yeah, hopefully they start whacking pretty soon.
You bet.
I'm excited. He's gonna set up his aquaview like he said too, and get some cool underwater footage. So if you guys want to check that stuff out, definitely go over to his channel. He does a lot of the underwater stuff. I just like the jaw jackers and my bobber for trout and live scope, and that's about it. So hopefully you guys get some live scope footage this year. Not today, but you guys will certainly. He's got the aquaview footage, so go check him out and look at some underwater stuff. Let's go set some more lines. Well, Kyle says it's gonna be 5 minutes before we catch a fish. So if 6 minutes comes and we don't catch a fish, I'm entirely blaming him, and then I'm gonna go home. So hopefully we catch fish in the next 5 minutes. Otherwise, I guess I'm heading home.
Looks like you're gonna be going home.
All right, it looks like I'm going home, he says. So have a nice day. We'll see you later.
I mean, I don't know.
I heard something.
Yep, right here. Fish on too, fish on.
Hey, Natalie, come here. Oh, that's a pike probably.
You rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
I'm rolling too. Hey, finally the first fish of the day. It just snapped.
Here we go.
On the jaw jack.
I ain't touching it, it's all you.
I don't have my
This
jaw.
is why these things are dope.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. It's just sitting there and it's...
Fish is on. It's off now. No, he's still on.
Oh,
That's a
look at
big pike, grab it. Okay, so reel. He's already hooked, so you're good. When he pulls, you don't reel. And then when he's, yep, so now you're gonna reel and pull. Now pull up.
There you go.
Yep, now reel down.
Right there.
Pull up. There you go, you're good now. Now just lift.
Keep lifting.
Yep, now pull up. Just like that, nice and slow. Now reel down. And you're good.
Slide it.
Now reel. No, you gotta keep tension. Yep, just like that. Now lift. That sinker came way up.
Yeah, it did.
All right, so now reel down. All right, now just hold the rod up.
Woo, yeah, that's fun.
Feels fun, doesn't it?
Nice pike. Now just lift up a little bit, nice and easy. And he's up.
Got him.
Look at that.
There you go.
Nice fish.
There you go. Cool. Look at that. Right in the side of the
Corner
mouth. Right in the corner.
Perfect.
All right, guys, there it is. Natalie's first pike on camera. There you go. That's going to be a screenshot right there. Cool. Let's get this guy right back.
25 inch?
Yeah, it's 25 incher.
For sure.
Skinny little guy. Out of the weeds. See you later.
Back to the death.
Nice. All right, something's happening. We were just setting another rod actually over there, and I just got it set by the time I ran over here, so I didn't realize that camera got everything. That's freaking cool. That means it got the pop and everything.
That's cool.
Hell yeah. Okay.
Oh, puppy.
Oh, another one. Right here.
Natalie, grab that. Yep, just reel. Oh, it came off? What happened? How'd it come off?
It just missed
Missed it.
It was on though. It was banging.
ice. It was...
All right, well, we got something. Is the minnow still kicking or no?
Yeah.
All right, now she's good. Ready to rock again.
What was I supposed to do?
I'm still bleeding. And I got it on my coat too. And my GoPro died. Hey. Another one. Natalie, go. There you go. Jeez, he got that whole minnow in his mouth.
Look at it.
Look at that. He got a whole treble in his mouth. Nice work.
A little fat in there. Nice. Good job.
Natalie's a nice little perch. Going back. See you, buddy. Enjoy yourself. She banging?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's banging. Here, I got you.
Been a slow day today. Hopefully that's our nice bass we've been after.
It's not acting like a pike really.
Good fish.
Might be a bass.
There you go. She got the hole. Pike.
What's pike? Better one. Biggest one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Bigger than the other two for sure.
Awesome.
Like 28 probably.
Right on.
Let me just actually grab him in the face and not hook myself, you know.
Grab its face where the hook's at.
Yeah, no problem.
Look
Oh,
at that mud
thanks.
that fell up.
Thanks for that. Let's get that off real quick.
There you go. Right on.
Right, look at this.
Nice little pike right in the corner of the mouth. That's what them jaw jackers are good at.
Right in the corner. There we go. Little pike. We are slowly going the right direction, I'd say, right?
That one just popped.
Really?
Yeah, fish on that
Oh, fish, grab it. Here you go. All right, we got another fish. We're just gonna let this one go real quick. And then I'm gonna run over there with my camera. Here we go. See you, buddy. I'll come back and set this one up. We gotta go. All right, reel down. Yep. Yep, so reel, pull. Yep, you're doing great. So now lift and reel. Oh, that doesn't help, sorry.
Yeah, it's got the hole.
Switch that came up. Here we go.
Ooh.
It's a pike.
That's
Oh, he's all wrapped up. There we go. Another pike.
Another nice.
That'll work. Cool. Nelly, come on over, get a picture. Look at that. They are just nipping it.
Show me again, right in the mouth.
And they are getting it right
With the jaw jacker, right in the tip.
in the tip. Barely comes out. Just like that. That's why you always want to keep pressure on these fish. All right. Here's Nelly's fish. Nice job. Do you want to hold them? Try to take a picture? Do you want to try? Yeah, he did bite me pretty good.
They got lots of teeth.
They do got a lot. Do you want to see them? Look. They got a lot of teeth. All right, let's get them right back. Real quick.
Nice, bro.
Bye.
Look at that little bite window, 2 pike.
See you later. Come on, give me a pat. There you go.
Nice.
See you later, buddy. Wow, that was pretty quick. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. We had some success. We had our ups, we had our downs. Like I said, we fished this morning for a little while in a different lake. Went and had some lunch. It's now 2 o'clock, so we're gonna head out and actually take the drive home. We got about 5.5 hours to go home. Shout out to my man Kyle over there. He's actually getting the tip up out of the water. We're gonna pack up right now, and so yeah, he's doing that. Shout out to him for having us up here. He's now dancing, making me trying to make me laugh. That's okay. So that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm gonna pop this jaw jacker and get the show on the road. Got about four more of these to go get rid of. Got Natalie on some fish. Thank you for coming with. She's like, I'm probably gonna freeze. I was like, it'll be okay as long as we're catching fish, which we did. She got to reel in some fish. I'm actually gonna throw up a picture of the night we got here. We fished for about 45 minutes and I didn't bring my camera out, of course. And we whacked some pretty good trout, 2 of them actually, on a different lake. So I'm gonna throw up a picture of actually technically her first fish through the ice. Today she got a pike through the ice. So actually that video, Kyle, you're making a video, right?
Yeah, I'll have that up.
So Kyle's actually gonna make a video. I caught one jigging. I caught a trout jigging, and then she caught one on a jaw jacker. So that video is gonna be over on his channel. If you guys wanna go check that, I'll leave that in the description. But yeah, so at least you guys can see that fish. But on this channel, the pike was the first fish, and actually I think I got the hook set with my camera, so that's pretty cool. It's really, really windy, so I'm gonna quit talking and we're gonna get packing up. Nice work. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So with that all being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys go leave a like down below. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are not already subscribed. I actually also just dropped my first ever merch drop, so that will be in the description down below. If you guys want to check that, I'll throw up a few pictures as well while I'm talking here. But that would mean a lot if you guys could help support the channel. All the proceeds of that are going to help benefit the channel, and use that for trips and stuff like that. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave that down below. Go check out my man Kyle as well. He makes a lot of Northwoods videos up here. Crappies, bass, perch, big pike, hunting, fishing, loving every day, whatever. He does all sorts of outdoor stuff up here in the Northwoods, from fishing to hunting. So if you guys want to go check him out, I will leave that down below. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment if you guys have ever been up in the Northwoods. This is the earliest I've ever ice fished in my life, up here on December 4th or 5th or something, 5th, 4th, something like that. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, I don't know. No, it's like the 4th or 5th. Actually, let's be real. It's the 5th. Yeah, so it's the 5th. I'm going to stop talking. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.